Good evening, everybody. So I hope everybody has already opened your art studio. One moment. So as I told in the initial classes, beginning everybody, please go to set working directory. Now my directory is here given as chipsec. Okay. Now I will open this R script. And yesterday what I had done is I had saved that file which I had created for you. This is the one, I guess. Yes. So as I told yesterday that even in the before classes that before starting with yes. So I hope everybody has already opened your art studio. Okay. So yesterday we were discussing till matrix. So anybody have any doubt till yesterday? Were you all able to practice till matrix? Manaswini, any doubts?
No, sir, I understood.
Sahiti, Sahiti, Akshaya, Akshaya,
Yes, sir.
any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. Then Priyanka,
Yes, sir.
any doubts from yesterday's class?
Sir, I have poor connectivity. I can't hear you, sir.
Sorry?
Sir, I'll join again.
I told any doubts from yesterday's class? Hamsini, any doubts from yesterday class? Hamsini? Osuri, any doubts from yesterday's class? Rishita,
Yes, sir.
any doubts from yesterday's class?
No, sir, I don't have any doubts.
Okay. Varshini?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. Raghavendra, I think you already have, I think you're following it. Any doubts, Raghavendra, from yesterday's class?
No, sir. It's clear.
Okay. And who else is there? Ajay? Ajay, any doubts from yesterday's class?
No, sir. No doubt. All clear, sir.
Fine. So yesterday we worked till matrix. So I had given you on one homework. So, but I don't see it in the class. Anybody have worked on it? Anybody had worked on it? Raghavendra?
Yeah, sir, I done.
Yeah, can you share your screen and show to everybody?
Okay.
Okay. So what was the homework I gave? Having matrix having 3 rows and 4 columns. So you have made n rows 3 and n columns 4. Okay, very good. Anybody else? Akshaya, could you do what? Could you work with the yesterday's homework? Akshaya,
Yes, sir.
Manas, yeah, can you share your screen?
Yes, sir. Give me a second.
Yes.
I am unable to do that for some reason. I'll rejoin the meeting.
Okay. Then Osuri, can you share your screen and show the yesterday's homework? Osuri, Varshini, Sahiti, Rishita,
Yes, sir.
yeah, can you share your screen?
Sir, yesterday I didn't attend the class, right? Today I just saw the video. I didn't work on it just like right now simultaneously. I'll do it after the class and show it tomorrow, sir.
Okay. Pratima,
Yes, sir. Just a second.
please show your screen.
Can you see it?
Yes. So matrix C, n rows and n rows is 3 and n column is 4. Very good. Okay. Priyanka, so
Sir, I've done it, but I've joined from my phone right now. So can I share it to you like after the class?
you can share on the group.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay. So Sahiti, Varshini, Osuri, anybody of you can share your screen? Okay. See, as I will be telling you again and again, if you have any doubts, you are free to put your queries in the group. Because if I am not seeing the homework, I will not understand if you are following it. And at the end of the class, if you are not able to work on the chipsec and you are not able to produce the results, it will be a problem for you, not for me. So if anybody who is not able to follow, please let me know, or you can always consult with your classmates. The group is open for everybody. don't think that this is a virtual class and you cannot discuss with your classmates. You are free to discuss with your classmates. So please do it if you have any doubts. This is my humble request, so that in future you should not have any problem. Okay. So let us come back to our studio. So till matrix we had finished it. So today we are supposed to go ahead with the arrays. So we will give a very small example. Let me copy this code and I will so here I have given here two this one two scalar quantity or two data, that is A and B. Dimension I have given, dim stands for dimension. Dimension I have given here 3, 3, 2. 3 means rows, 3 means columns, and 2 means this one, the dimension. So I will write it for you. So here the first three, before I will write here dim is, I will go from here. Dim is the dimension. Dimension spelling is correct or it is SION? Yes, SION. Okay, so then it is first 3 is length, not row. Second 3 is, and last 2 is dimension. Okay. Clear, everybody? Any doubts? Any doubts? You can even change it. Actually, with R, you can always play for yourself. Okay. So what you can do is, here I have given an A, comma B. You can give here more C, comma 2, 3. Then you can give here dimension 3, 4, 3. Let us see if it throws any error. Let us see what is the output we get. There is no error. One moment. So let us see what is the value it has taken. Okay. So 3 rows, 4 columns, and I gave here as 3 dimension. So 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Any doubts? I will just share the code in your group. And I forgot to, one moment. I forgot to share the Word file yesterday in the group. I will do it right now. Or I think I have, I don't know, where did I save it? Okay. Fine. So it is already shared in your group. You can practice it and change the dimensions and see if it is working for you. See, the code should always be motivating you, and you should always try changing the code, and you should practice. And I will be very happy if you are getting any error. Why? Because if you are getting error, you can learn yourself, and you are the best teacher for yourself. Okay, let us move forward. So what is the next data type we had seen? After array, it was factors. I think factor we did yesterday. Yeah, I think factor was done yesterday. So let us, I will move forward. And a data frame. Data frame, it will take little bit time. Okay. Data frame, I will not show you now. It may not. It will definitely. It will create a little trouble for you. I will take it when specifically when I will be taking the class for data frames. Okay. I don't want to put you into confusion now. Let us move forward. So I will first tell you the data types. This is again a different part, the basic data types. That is the other words, or I will say how you can write the data, the types of data which you will be using. Numeric, integer, complex, character or string. Next one is logical. Okay. Numeric, it is numbers. That is your 1, 2, 3, etc. Integers, in some books you can also see that as integers and numbers will be the same, because even integers are also numbers, but sometimes it will be large numbers. Okay, example like 1L, 55L, and so on. Complex is complex data types. Very classical example is your these are your complex numbers. This complete is a number. Then if you remember, you are using some data like E, exponential will be your again, then sometimes your pi. These are all, it will come under your complex. Okay. Character or string will be your names. And one more thing, in characters, it should be with double quotes, double or single quotes. Okay. Example, any name, or even this one will be considered as string. Don't get confused here. This one is number without the double quotes, and one with double quotes is is your character. Then even this one, but not M1. It can be even your variable, but one name cannot be. Anyway, I will that I will come once I take a class on that one. And last one is logical. Logical means it is Boolean that is either true or false. Particularly, I wrote it in capital is that you have to write it in capital letters, or even you can even write it as T or F. Okay, that is the important thing. You should not write it as small letters. Even that computer will also not take accept as small letters. Okay, let us work on this. Okay, okay. Please take it. Done, everybody? Done, everybody? Yes or no? Akshaya, done? Akshaya,
Yes, sir.
Ajay, Ajay, are you following? Manaswini,
Yes, sir.
Rishita,
Yes, sir.
Sahiti,
Yes, sir.
okay, Sanjana,
Yes, sir.
Varshini,
Yeah, sir.
okay. Okay, now let us move to the next one. That is your integer. X. Okay. Raghavendra, are you following? Raghavendra, are you
Yes,
following?
sir.
Okay. Okay, so I gave here x equal to 9i plus 3. It came as complex. Okay.
Sir, I'm getting an error. It's saying object I is not found.
Object I is not found.
Yeah, I don't know.
Share your screen.
Yeah. You can see that over here.
I it should come with some
Oh, just I
numbers.
doesn't work.
Yeah,
Okay.
because it will take as character and you will
Okay,
you will get
got
an
it.
error.
Thank you.
Okay. Now, if I give here x equal to now I cannot write here. I should write here like what's it? Okay. Now I will give here as class x. Okay. Now, if as you told, you had given here as x, it is you gave here as I plus 1. Okay. It will give you an error first of all because I is not found. You have to give here as quotation, but again it will not take. Plus, let us see it if it is taking or not. Okay. Okay, it will take as character. Yeah, this one. It will take as your character. Okay. You cannot write I separately. And even if you are giving here as 1, say for example, x, sorry, like 34, then give here as class so character. And if you just remove this double quotes, it is numeric. Okay. So remember this. Okay. Even the numbers can work as strings. Okay. Next is logical. X equal to true. Where did I write it? I wrote somewhere else. Okay. Not a problem. Now, if you are writing the same in double quotes or single quotes, it will come as character. Single quotes or double quotes. Okay, remember it. So anything within the single quote or double quote, it is a character. So again, I will repeat. This is called as your comment. When you are giving your x equal to 10, this is your variable. X is variable and 10 is for constant. So here you can see here everywhere I have given that x is true, x is name, x is 10 and so on. So the value keeps on changing. So what the ones whose values keeps on changing is the variable, and 10 is a value or constant. The 10 will always remain the same. 10 will never change. So that is called as value or constant. So just remember this. I will just share it with you. So if you have any doubt, you can always stop me. I will reply you back. Okay. Okay, now let us go to operators. First, we'll see the arithmetic operators. I think everybody knows this. Plus, minus, division and multiplication. Okay. And remember, if you are doing the mathematics, it will follow this rule. Okay, remember it. And then I will give you this one. Where is that? Yeah. I think my screen is visible. Yeah. Can anybody tell me what is this operator? Can anybody tell me what is this operator? It is called as exponential. Okay. And more operators which you will be getting very frequently is this one. Okay, this is called as modulus. So this one is like remainder you will be getting once you are doing the division, and whatever is the remainder that is called as modulus. Okay. This one you should remember it. We will see it now right now. So already that we had checked in the initially. Now the other operators are which you will be using it. This is equal to equals to this is not equal. This is greater than and less than. Okay, greater than, less than. Okay. This is greater than and equal to. This is less than or equal to. Okay. And sometimes you will be using this operator. This is called as AND. And this is your OR operator. this is or, and this is not. Okay, these are some of the commonly used operators. So remember, there are some more operators which I will not tell you right now. Once you are using it, you will come to know. Okay, these are the commonly used ones. Okay, so any doubts? Any doubts with anybody? Because today I will be closing it here, because then from tomorrow I will directly go ahead with the list. Because I have already shown you the list, but I will do some operators with list. So if you have any doubts, you can let me know. Anybody? So this particular Word document I am sharing with you. So you can do it, and everything I will be doing in this particular Word document, so that and I will be sending this, and so whatever is the before classes, if anybody has missed it, you can always find it here. Okay, I have shared in the group. So I will be ending the class here. If any doubts, if any quick questions, you can ask me from any person. Okay. If there are no doubts, I will conclude it for today. And tomorrow I will go ahead with the list. Already I showed you what is the list, but now I will be doing some more operations. So we will see that tomorrow. We will continue further with R. And sir, what is this? You can unmute and speak, no? What is that? Who is this person? Is it what? One moment. What is the query? It is used to. Okay, what is concatenation means? It is used to join. Okay, concatenation. Okay, fine. Yeah, that is correct. When you are writing a group of characters, it should be joined together. It is correct, Pratima. Very good answer. When you are writing a group of elements together or numbers together, you need to join it. Otherwise, the variable will not be able to read it. Okay. So very good. You should always communicate among yourself, and though that your knowledge will also increase. Okay, very good. Okay, then thank you so much. Good night.